Hey guys, what's up? It's Dan again from CryptoCamacho.com, and guess what? Today, guys, I made you something. I made you something very, very cool. Put a lot of time and effort into this project, and I want to show you guys what I made. I made a website. It's called CryptoCamacho.com. If you haven't been here yet, if you haven't visited CryptoCamacho.com, please do. I've been making videos for a long time, haven't had a website for as long, and I've recently launched the website, which you can see right here behind me in the video, and I'm very, very excited. Couldn't be happier with the website. Definitely still need to build out the site, the content, the functionality, and so forth, but I'm happy that the site is up. I'm happy that there's content on the site and more content coming into it daily. So guys, you're looking at the home page here. If you want, definitely go to the site, browse around. It's got my picture on it. If you guys want to get daily updates, if you want to get updates, click on this subscribe link. This actually is now up to about 10,000 versus 7,000. But it's a pretty basic site, right? Cryptocurrency 101, if you're just starting your cryptocurrency journey. If you're looking to make more money in cryptocurrency, I can show you how to make at least $300 a day by doing day trading, swing trading, base trading of cryptocurrency on different cryptocurrency exchanges. If you want to know what tools to use, if you're just getting into cryptocurrency, or if you're a seasoned vet, you want to discover new tools, you want to know what tools are helpful for you in the cryptocurrency space, definitely visit that section right here. And then, you know, some of my most trusted resources, I use Coinbase quite a bit. I use Coinigy every day. I use Binance all the time. Some very useful links there for you guys to check out. And then every month, I'm going to be experimenting with something new, right? Something I'll be experimenting with each month. And today, I'm actually experimenting with a company called Monetize Coin. It's a lending platform, but it does not work the same as other lending platforms. They're actually backed by collateral and marketing material and so forth. So check that out. Go to CryptoCamacho.com to check that out. And if you want, you can check out my online course right here. Again, if you're just getting into it, click on the Start Here button. It'll give you kind of an overview of what the website is, what's going on in the cryptocurrency space. It'll give you a video that shows you a variety of different ways that you can make money in the cryptocurrency space. I break it all down right here on this video. You know, why cryptocurrency changes everything, and then some tools that you can use to help you in your cryptocurrency journey. One other thing I want to point out is there's a recommendations or a recommended section on the site. Obviously, everybody is pretty familiar with Coinbase, but there's a lot of other tools here that I think you'll find very useful. I update this all the time, so go and check that out. My blog is something I'm very excited about. I've recently launched it. It's a typical blog, right? You'll see different postings for different blog posts. But when you click on a link, you're going to go to the blog post, and what I'm really excited about is not only is the video here on the blog post, but there's a podcast, right? So I'm launching a podcast, which you guys will hear more about in the weeks to come. And then I've also transcribed every one of my videos into the written word, into written format. So people that want to read, they can actually read my content on the website with timestamps, with titles, so forth and so on. You can make comments by using the Discuss app and find other content that may be useful for you. And then one other thing that I'm really excited about, it's the sentiment analysis engine that I'm building out. Just launched it, just started out doing this, but I want to make you guys aware of it. So what it is, if you go to CryptoCamacho.com/sentiment, you're going to get some sentiment analytics and analysis done on my site. This right here, this first chart, is the total number or volume of web mentions for the word Bitcoin. And you can see that it's gone up and down. It's going down, you know, which coincides with the market going down as well. A handy tool to look at the overall sentiment of the market for Bitcoin and others is right here. Then this next tool is very nifty. So you guys probably are aware that I typically go to socialmention.com to check for social sentiment analysis on different cryptocurrencies. Well, I have taken that data and I've actually pulled it into CryptoCamacho.com/sentiment. You can actually go here and look at any cryptocurrency under $1 and sort it by strength, passion, reach, positive sentiment, and negative sentiment. If you don't know what these terms mean, I will update this section soon. There's some videos on YouTube that'll explain it for you on my channel, so check that out. But this will give you the overall sentiment for a cryptocurrency under $1. And you could, again, you could sort it by strength. You can sort it by passion. So what coins have the highest passion in the market? Genero Network does, right? Hive Project does. What have the highest strength in the overall market? OST, Rubies, Primus, so forth and so on. What has the overall reach in the market, right? The overall reach, the Champ Coin, Primus, Shield, so forth and so on. You could also sort by positive versus negative sentiment to see what coins have the highest positive sentiment versus negative sentiment. And then if you go down to the bottom, you can also sort by total number of retweets and total number of publishers talking about a particular cryptocurrency. So again, very handy tool to discover new coins, to weed out winners from losers right off the get-go. Just a very handy tool that I've been using, and it's proven very, very effective for me in the short run. If you want to get alerts going forward on a regular basis, click on this link. Yes, I want to get alerts on hot trading opportunities. Sign up with your email, and I will send you alerts whenever an alert comes up, and I feel that there's a trading opportunity. I will send you an alert through email. So guys, this is CryptoCamacho.com. Check it out. I'd love to get your thoughts. I'd love to get your take on the site. I'd love to know what else you think I should add to the website. What else is missing? What else should I put here? I'm going to continue to build out this website, and I want to know what you guys want to learn about. I want to know your feedback so I can help you guys learn cryptocurrency, learn how to make money in cryptocurrency a lot better and a lot faster. Anyway, guys, I'm Dan from CryptoCamacho.com. This is a wrap, but if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do by clicking on that little red button, either down there or down there. Not sure what side it's on, but it's one of those sides. Click on that subscribe button, guys, and I will give you daily updates on the cryptocurrency markets, and hopefully will help you make more money. See you guys next time.